Hello everyone, today we are going over the match function in preparation for the next video, which is the index match function. But the match function returns a row or a column number based off of what you give it. So as always, we're going to go in and look at our function arguments. So when I hit tab on this match function, we're going to have a lookup value, a lookup array, and a match type. So this lookup value is whatever you are trying to find in a said list of rows or columns. And so mine is going to be this box Sally right here. I'm gonna want to find where Sally is, and so I'm gonna hit comma, and it's gonna bring me to my lookup array argument, which is going to be just this column A, just because I know that Sally does in fact fall in column A. I mean, Sally is not a number of dogs or a number of cats or a number of gerbils. Sally is an owner, so I know that Sally is going to be in column A here. So this could be where the function's done. However, I know that with this match type, which is an optional argument, which is shown by those brackets there, I just want an exact match. So I'm going to go ahead and click 0, and in my function hit enter, and we're going to see that a 3 populates because Sally is in the third row down here, row 1, 2, 3. There's Sally. Of course, by looking at this example, you would obviously know that Sally is in the third row, but this is useful when you have a large list of data or a large data set where you don't know where someone is. Of course, you could use the just find function, you could control F, but this is more so useful in conjunction with the index function, which is going to be the video right after this. So if you want to learn more about any beginner, intermediate, or expert Excel functions, I've got series on all of those. And as always, thank you for watching.